Ito na yung outreach namin.
Kala ko vlog ko tayo. Hi guys, girls, people of the world, my name is Alyssa and welcome back to my channel. Hello everyone, good evening. Today is April 11:21 p.m. and right now I am getting ready to go to bed. I just wanted to start yung vlog na tonight because tomorrow we are going to SGV or the Sisip Gorrias Velayo and Company na accounting firm sa Makati. It's gonna be my first time and I'm very excited kasi nga maliban sa fact na pupunta kami sa SGV, kasama ko rin yung mga students from other schools na talaga namang pinakita ang kanilang galing dito sa Paragon. So nakaka-excite na not only online kami makita but also face to face para mapag-usapan yung mga nakaraang linggo ng Paragon. I feel like it's gonna be a good experience for me as a future CPA. Yes, we're already claiming it. So ayun lang guys, I'll be seeing you again in the morning when it comes. Bye! Good morning guys! So it's already April 12 and it's currently 4:47 a.m. So makikita nyo naman, nakaligo na ako. We're meant to come sa aming pickup point ng 6:30 a.m. which is the SM Cab. So, I'll be traveling around 5:30. Gagawa lang din ako ng coffee and magpe-prepare ng water. I'm feeling excited pero also nervous kasi parang kung tutuusin, isa lang yung kilala ko talaga nakasama which is si Mayora Lois. And medyo natatakot ako kasi nahiya ako sa mga kasama namin na iba. Pero okay lang, kaya natin to. So yes, this is what I'm wearing. I'm just wearing this pink top. And then I have on black na slacks lang. And then I'm gonna wear my doll shoes. And then I'm gonna have a blazer on over. I'm just gonna continue getting ready. And then I'll talk to you guys again in a bit when I'm all done and ready to go. Hi guys, I'm ready to go. Inayos ko lang yung buhok ko ng onte. And then I also took my bag out na. So that's what I'm bringing lang. And then I also have this little bag of snacks and all that I need like water and coffee para naman kung hindi naman kailangan hindi na ako gumastos while on the road. Lola, ang sarap ba yan?
Ganda.
Ito lang mo lang kape.
Ang ganda nga. Isang kalahating kutsara. Ito lang pa ng konti.
Ito na yung nahalo kapag
Ang istilin ng kumat kung ang itsura.
Thank you.
Ha?
Ay, tubig. Hello guys, good morning!
Good morning!
Kasama ko na si Mayora Lois and nandito na kami sa van. Wait lang namin yung iba naming mga kasamahan before we go and travel na going to Manila. So, yes. Are you excited, Mayora?
Sure na!
Ayan, later mag-enjoy kami with the different activities na hinanda nila for us. And then, excited na rin ako kumain kasi balita ko may libreng pagkain eh.
Oo nga, Mayora. Yun talaga yung pinunta natin sa SGV.
Yes, amen. Pero yan, we'll see you guys again later kapag may mga updates na ulit kami.
Bye!
And I hope you get to enjoy the rest of the day. So before...
Hello guys, we're here na.
Later,
Amina, say hi.
Wala na akong boses nun, vlog.
She said that she watches my vlogs. I'm so excited to learn.
Congratulations, friendly. Ako nga yung ating mga Paragon. So, please make sure na mag-engage kayo yan. Sige, wait na lang natin yung food natin.
Hi guys, so magla-lunch na kami and guess what's for lunch? Jollibee ulit! So kanina kasi nag-breakfast kami ng Jollibee, tapos ngayon Jollibee din yung lunch. Ayan, kita nyo ang ingay-ingay. Everyone's so excited. Oh, look at my pin, guys. Ayan siya. Wow, so pretty. But yes, I'm with Amina nga. And then, people. Yeah, with Leyan. And then, si Mayor Alvarez. Kita ka ba? So we're just hanging out. We're just bonding right now. And true, ang yabang. Pero yung nakakatuwa kasi I was telling them earlier na parang kung maging CPA man ako, and alam ko naman na magiging CPA ako, pero parang gusto ko mag-camp. Nakakahiya, layo ko na. Hello, say hi!
Ayan, ilan kayo?
Ayun, ang yabang.
Hi, vlog!
Ito na yung outreach namin.
Outreach?
Feeling program, after titimbangin namin kayo, pa-ensure na lang yung timbang natin ay sapat.
So, ayun lang. Ay, wala nang nasabi. So, yun nga, Jollibee ang food namin. Ayun o. Hi, say hi to Yana. Yun pala sinasabi ko. So, di ba sa campus engagement teams, parang kahit maging CPA ako, parang gusto ko dun ako mapunta. Kasi parang saya-saya, puro mga college students and all, yung mga palagi niyong kasama. So, ayun, share ko lang. Sige na, bye.
Under the heat, I'm half awake. I've been hung up on yesterday. Woke up at noon, I'm in a daze. We'll keep on pushing anyways.
Ayan guys, tingnan nyo kami ngayon. Oh, nagpipicture kami. Kasi we're like friends na. Ito nga pala si... magpakilala ka, Han. Siya ay taga AU, Oral University. She's like so good, guys. She's one of the best students here in Cabanatuan. Tapos, ayan, si Mayor Lies, like we've always been, you've seen. Tapos si Amina, ayan, chumichika sila. Pero yun. Guys, gusto niyo po makita ko ano yung mga features ng SGV office. Medyo plain lang naman siya, pero merong makulay na ting hero. Ano meaning na SGV? Ano meaning na SGV?
Sisip, Chorus, and Vilayo.
Hoy, hindi!
Vilayo and Chorus.
Ayun, tama. Congrats. Pasado ka na, 100. Ito nga pala groupmate ko, guys. Ito yung nagraos sa amin sa tax case study. Ayan siya. Kamusta? Kamusta?
Ba't kayo late?
Ewan ko, tanong mo sa Amina. Ba't kami late? Malayo kasi siya, Aurora pa siya. And nagkaroon pa siya ng problem sa bundok. O yung mga taga-Colegio de San Gabriel na yan. Mag-hello ka kayo ulit. O, diba? O, ayan. O, ayan sila. O, diba? Nagsi-CR break na sila, guys. Tapos kami... Grabe ka! Nakakasar to. Hindi to uuwi ng Aurora tonight.
Mag-shoutout ako.
Ay, sige, shout out.
Shoutout sa mga friends ko sa GJC na andito din.
Ayan.
Luigi Andison.
Ay, hala, takot din ako doon. Kung gaano ako katakot kay Hana.
Isa po silang lalabas. Luigi Andison.
Wow!
Iris Laymondo.
Alam mo't may production number. Sila na ba yan? Okay na, tapos na? Okay na, tapos na? Sige, akala ko vlog ko to eh. Ano ba yan? Akala ko vlog ko to. Pero di ba mga taga-GJC? Kinakatakutan namin sila talaga. Kami kasi yung mga non-academic, so sila yung mga academic. Ilalaban ko to para sa Wesleyan. Ayan, papasok na daw sila. Bye-bye. Ingat!
Fried chicken. Sige, saan po ng Jollibee natin?
Gusto niya natin.
Sa opportunity. Kasi yung opportunity hindi natin sa lahat. So, actually, gusto ko lang
Papansin nyo, baka kasi mabulat kayo.
Are you excited to tour? Pero hindi ko lang mapakita. Sige na.
That's our last year.
I think it over, but I can't convince myself. Corporation got a stake in mental health. Stepping over stars to the colored lights. Is the whole world gray, or am I too blind? to the fact that I just make it harder whenever I say that it's not. Maybe I'm being stupid for being a martyr. Maybe it's time that I stop. 'Cause I don't wanna know if I'm better off alone. I'm so happy when I'm sad, I make it up to you. 'Cause I just need to see what the hell.
Okay guys, so we're here sa parang meeting room na very professional. Charing. Pero yun, very formal siya. WSISIP Abacus Room. So, maraming mga details na parang Chinese, ganun. Kasi nga Chinese si Washington SISIP, yung founder ng SGV. So, it's very interesting. And I wanna cry. Arte. Pero yes, I'm gonna show you guys more of the details ng mga nandito. Kasi may owl, which is so cute. Kasi diba, Incendia is owl. So, alright, I'll show you guys now.
That's just how I feel.
Nandito naman tayo ngayon sa sa Alumni Center. Tama ba? Alumni Center. Where yung mga alumni pumupunta dito. So kung alumni ka ng kahit anong university, mali pala. Alumni ka ng SGV, pwede ka pumunta here. Pwede ka manood ng Can't Buy Me Love. Ay, ayan, tanong. Ang saya-saya niya na nandito siya sa booth.
Go, Terry.
Cute. Ayan, di ba? Ang kakuyot ng mga kaparagons ko. Deserve nila. Good afternoon po. Pa-order nga po. Pa-order po ng Okinawa. Milk tea pala. Joke lang po. Ang ganda dito kasi may parang meeting room din sila. Tapos mayroong sitting area. Ayan. Kung saan nakatambay ang mga officers ng R3. Yes.
Yeah, so every room now has its own theme and it's based on our partners or early partners of
Hello guys! So nag-ready na kami bumalik sa baba. Na-visit din namin yung original office ni SISIP. So parang, oh my gosh! Makita niya may video ako din kasi yung future, ano rin ako. Future nakatingin sila sa akin lahat. Amazed na amazed sila sa ginagawa ko ngayon. Pero, yeah, it was a good time. And babalik kami sa baba for more festivities and other events. So, let's go! Merienda! April, pakita mo yung merienda mo! Ay, thank you po! This is a Lucky Yum Burger from SGV.
Sige, next question.
It's a video!
Super excited na
Guys, mag-a-awarding na kami! Sana manalo naman kami. Good luck na, Miss Ariel.
Iba na yan kasi kakamerenda. Charis, iba ba na?
Take it slow. You the type of guy I'm really trying to get to know. If it's cool with you, maybe we can hit the show. I can take you places you don't know you wanna go. Baby girl, slow down.
Guys, magsa-champion kaya kami. Sana kami mag-champion.
It's none other than and reporting from
I'ma give you the world, now it's pushing it. I'ma give you my time, start booking it. Nowadays we turn away from all the rushy shit. Everybody's looking for love.
Hello guys! So we're wrapping up the Paragon season here. Our group won 2 competitions. So yung case study tsaka yung group quiz. May analyze! Congrats! Ayan, natawa si Joanna. Joanna, congrats! Yung band,
Top notcher.
Yeah! Lalabanan ko siya. Kala mo ha? Oh my gosh, congrats Paragon! Batch Zephoria, kita-kits kapag CPA na tayo. Guys, alis na sila. Bye-bye! Ang highlight ng vlog.
Yes, thank you so much everyone for watching this vlog. Ay,
Channel mo to? Channel mo to, pasensya na kayo sa kanya, ganyan lang talaga yan, post-event.
Please subscribe to my channel. Uy, lang channel!
Babe, feeling ko after ito, matagal-tagal tayong hindi makikita.
Totoo.
So, susulitin na namin to.
Yes, thank you
to
so much for
Carla.
featuring me. Subscribe to Ali.
Skies don't